This is the AI News Flash for April 21st, 12 p.m. UTC. First up, Yelp has rolled out a major upgrade to its AI assistant, letting users ask questions and complete reservations, orders, or appointments in a single conversation. Launched today on iOS and Android in the United States. The assistant integrates with DoorDash, Grubhub, Vigaro, ZocDoc, RepairPal, and Calendly to redirect users to partner apps for final transactions. Responses are grounded in business data, websites, and user reviews to reduce hallucinations. A new centered navigation tab, natural language photo gallery search, and AI menu scanning round out the update. Yelp is pivoting from a review site into what executives call an answers and action platform. Desktop support and broader business categories are planned for later in 2026 as agentic commerce reaches consumers at scale. Next, IBM and Adobe announced AI-powered customer experience orchestration solutions targeting the airline and healthcare industries. The partnership integrates Adobe Real-Time CDP and Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator with IBM watsonx Orchestrate, enabling real-time intent detection, agentic AI decision-making, and predictive personalization. IBM Institute for Business Value Research shows companies lose roughly $29 million annually from slow response times, while successful deployment yields 13% lower customer acquisition costs and 6% higher retention. The rollout builds on a pilot with Saudi carrier Riyadh Air that demonstrated agentic concierge-style support, signaling deeper enterprise AI agent adoption in regulated industries. Cleared up. Bain and Company labeled Anthropic's Claude Mythos an AI cybersecurity wake-up call in a new report published today. Anthropic used the preview model to identify thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities across every major operating system and browser. Separate research found 87% of global organizations experienced AI-powered cyber attacks in the past year. Mythos is not a dedicated attack tool, but a software engineering model capable of chaining vulnerabilities, mapping networks, and reconstructing source code. Comparable capabilities exist in GPT-5.4 Cyber and Google's Big Sleep. Bain urges CISOs to establish AI defense war rooms, adopt zero trust, phishing-resistant MFA, address OT vulnerabilities, and plan quantum-safe migration by 2030. Most organizations need to increase security spending 2 to 3 times. Fourth, a new Tearsheet analysis finds 67% of banks and credit unions are deploying AI, yet only 16% have a coherent AI strategy. 83% of financial institutions are increasing AI budgets in lending and operations, but most spending concentrates on back-office automation and employee augmentation rather than strategic customer-facing deployment. Q2 Holdings CTO Adam Blue said it remains unclear whether the back-office bias reflects genuine value or avoidance driven by model drift and safety concerns. Data silos and API gaps also slow implementation. The gap between broad adoption and missing strategy is sharp, pushing finance leaders to shift from piecemeal pilots to structured long-term AI planning. And finally, aviation parts specialist AAR launched Airvoyant, an AWS-powered AI procurement platform for airlines and maintenance providers. Airvoyant analyzes supplier, quotes, generates purchase recommendations, and integrates with Trax and other ERP systems. It connects directly with AirOxchange's network of over 5,000 suppliers. Delta Airlines and Air Canada serve as subject matter experts. Launch partners include Air Europa, Allegiant, Atlas Air, JetBlue, Thai Airways, and Virgin Atlantic. Demand consolidation and automated negotiation agents arrive later this year. The platform replaces fragmented email RFQs with a unified workflow, improving lead time visibility and cutting parts spend as agentic AI penetrates aviation supply chains. That's all for this AI News Flash.